Welcome. If you want Gmail to ask for microphone permission every time you use it on your phone, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the updated steps to make sure your privacy stays in your hands, and Gmail only uses your microphone when you allow it. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the permissions for your apps, including Gmail. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or it might be labeled App Management on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, find Gmail in the list. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top to type in Gmail for quicker access. Once you see the Gmail icon, tap on it to open the app settings. Inside the Gmail app settings, look for a menu called Permissions. This is where you decide what features Gmail can access, like your contacts, camera, and of course your microphone. Tap on Permissions, and then find Microphone in the list. If you want Gmail to ask for your permission every single time it wants to use the microphone, select the option called Ask Every Time. This means Gmail won't be able to use your microphone unless you give it the green light each time you're prompted. That's it. You've just set Gmail to ask for microphone access every time, giving you more control over your privacy and device security. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these steps and choose a different permission setting, like Allow Only while using the app or Don't Allow. Thanks for following along. Now you can use Gmail with confidence, knowing that your microphone access is always up to you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your apps.